Okay, so for today's craft, I'm going to show you guys how to turn an old sweater into a pair of mittens. This might seem a little crazy in the middle of summer, but if you guys are at home cleaning out your houses, you find an old sweater with holes in it, you might want to throw it out, but you can turn it into something new for the upcoming season. So all you'll need to do is basically just take your hand, where the cuff ends, kind of determine your own length of glove. I like a shorter glove. So, basically just trace your hand on it, like so. You have a general shape of a mitten. And then just take a pair of scissors to it, and just cut along those lines. Okay, so obviously this won't work, right? So if you're handy with needle and thread, obviously you can just do like a basic whip stitch. I forgot to bring mine, so I'll show you the other option. You can just turn it inside out and apply some hot glue along the seam. Right, that'll work. Oh, the hot glue fell out. That's not great. Okay, so where they two meet, this is hot enough. Press that down, make sure it takes before the glue dries. I'm always, for some reason, anxious about the glue drying before I get it done. I've had that happen to me with a lot of projects. It's like I spent all this time putting all this hot glue down and burning my fingers, and then it dried before I could do the thing. So then after you flip it back right side out, you have yourself a mitten. Works perfectly every time.